Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as part of our community. Our mission is to provide you with engaging and informative content that inspires and entertains. Whether you're here to learn something new, explore creative ideas, or simply enjoy some great storytelling, we aim to cater to a wide range of interests. We believe in the power of sharing knowledge and fostering connections, and we're excited to embark on this journey together with you. In each video, you can expect a blend of insightful discussions, practical tips, and vibrant visuals that bring our topics to life. From design and lifestyle to personal growth and entertainment, we cover a variety of themes that resonate with our viewers. We encourage you to engage with us by leaving comments, sharing your thoughts, and suggesting topics you'd like to see in the future. Your participation is invaluable, and it drives us to continually improve and evolve our content. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's exciting adventure. If you're enjoying the content and want to keep up with our latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hitting that subscribe button not only helps you stay connected but also supports us in creating more amazing videos just for you. We love hearing your thoughts, so please like and share this video with your friends and family. It's a great way to spread the word and build our community. And make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll be sharing some exclusive insights and tips that you won't want to miss. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Rustic wooden furniture brings a unique charm to any home. Its natural textures and warm tones evoke a sense of nostalgia, connecting us to nature and simpler times. This charm is increasingly sought after in modern interiors, where the trend is to create spaces that feel both inviting and stylish. The imperfections in rustic wood, such as knots and grain variations, add character and authenticity, making each piece distinct. As homeowners look for ways to create personal sanctuaries, the incorporation of rustic elements allows for the expression of individuality while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with cold, contemporary materials, providing a sense of balance and comfort. In each video, you can expect a blend of insightful discussions and vibrant visuals that bring our topics to life. From design and lifestyle to personal growth and entertainment, we cover a variety of themes that resonate with our viewers. We encourage you to engage with us by leaving comments, sharing your thoughts, and suggesting topics you'd like to see in the future. Your participation is invaluable, and it drives us to continually improve and evolve our content. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's exciting adventure. The key to successfully merging rustic elements with modern design lies in balance. By thoughtfully selecting rustic pieces, such as reclaimed wood tables or handcrafted chairs, homeowners can create focal points that enhance the contemporary aesthetic of their spaces. This blend creates a harmonious atmosphere where both styles coexist beautifully. For instance, a rustic dining table can be paired with modern metal chairs, allowing each element to shine while contributing to a cohesive look. The juxtaposition of old and new encourages creativity in interior design, inviting homeowners to experiment with different styles and arrangements that reflect their personal tastes. One of the most striking aspects of rustic wooden furniture is its rich texture. When paired with sleek, modern materials like glass or metal, the contrast becomes visually captivating. A rustic wooden coffee table can ground a sleek, minimalist living room, adding warmth and character while maintaining an overall modern vibe. This textural contrast not only enhances visual appeal but also invites touch, creating a richer sensory experience in the home. The interplay between rough and smooth surfaces encourages a layered look that is both inviting and sophisticated, making spaces feel more dynamic and engaging. Rustic wood often features rich, earthy tones, which can complement a modern color palette beautifully. By incorporating neutral colors alongside the natural hues of wood, designers can create a cohesive look. Accent pieces in bold colors can then be introduced to enhance the vibrancy of the space without overwhelming it. For example, a deep brown wooden sideboard can be paired with pastel-colored decor items, striking a balance that feels fresh and contemporary. This thoughtful integration of colors allows rustic elements to harmonize with modern design while adding depth and interest to the overall aesthetic. Rustic furniture is not just about aesthetics, it often embodies functionality and craftsmanship. Pieces such as sturdy wooden shelves or unique dining tables can serve as both practical items and artistic statements in a home. This dual purpose aligns perfectly with modern design principles that value both form and function. A well-crafted wooden bench can provide seating while also acting as a decorative element, showcasing the beauty of natural materials. This approach encourages homeowners to consider how each piece contributes not only to the visual appeal but also to the livability of their spaces. Incorporating rustic wooden furniture into modern decor often aligns with sustainability practices. Many rustic pieces are made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, appealing to environmentally conscious homeowners. This focus on eco-friendly materials resonates with the modern desire for responsible living. By choosing furniture that minimizes environmental impact, homeowners can create beautiful spaces that reflect their values. Moreover, the use of reclaimed wood often comes with its own history and character, adding layers of meaning to each piece and making it not just a functional item but a conversation starter. The fusion of rustic wooden furniture with modern design is not just a fleeting trend, it represents a deeper shift towards creating spaces that are both stylish and soulful. As more people seek to personalize their homes, the combination of rustic charm and modern simplicity will continue to thrive, offering a timeless solution for contemporary living. This enduring appeal reflects a desire for authenticity and comfort in a world that often prioritizes the superficial. By embracing rustic elements, homeowners can cultivate environments that resonate with their values, fostering a sense of peace and belonging in their spaces. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support, and if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription helps us create more engaging videos and keeps you updated with our latest uploads. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Your feedback and support mean a lot to us. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content, so stay tuned.